Oh my god.
It's so creepy. I'm just going to be. Right. Hi. Today we are making makeup. Natural one, homemade. Why? Because it's cheaper. It's safe. We don't test it on animals. I have two of my lovely year 10 students just too shy to introduce themselves, so I do that. Hi, I'm Kyra. Hey, I'm Kate. Right. We're making 3 or 4 things. Foundation first, eyeliner, lipstick, and foundation gonna be 2 types: liquidy one and powder one. Alright, do you want to tell about the ingredients? What we have? Just tell the ingredients.
So we have body lotion.
Well, moisturiser or body lotion, you might say that's not very natural, we don't have it at home, but most moisturiser.
So the makeup is not that natural.
No, moisturiser are safe.
Completely natural.
Moisturiser, body lotion. Okay, come on,
Yeah.
sorry. What do we next?
What is this called?
Cocoa powder.
Yeah, cocoa powder. Then cornstarch.
Yes.
And then we have charcoal, coconut oil, and food coloring.
Food coloring. Excellent. So, right, I'm gonna leave them so they can mix everything and explain to you how this works. Good. What do you think, hey?
Yeah, it's fine.
Should you bring someone to test this?
So we can use you.
Not me. I know a better person.
I'll paint
No,
my
how
whole
about
body
you,
in.
sir? We can, 2 people, fair test, reduces error.
For reliability.
For reliability, yes.
So,
Art.
sir, it's art. It's human art.
It's
Come
art.
on. Sir, we're artists. You can be our canvas.
So here we have our volunteer.
Absolutely not. I am not doing this. No.
Sir,
Come
no.
here in front of the camera.
I told you no.
Sir, we put it on Mr. Yazdan too.
Wait.
You can put it just on.
Where are you going?
No, put it on
I don't want
both
you
of
afterwards, and I'll laugh.
Come
Sir,
on.
we
No.
put
We're
it
just
on
gonna
both.
try it. I'll
No.
do me as well. We do together.
No.
Together.
Just put it on
No.
both of you, please.
Lock the door.
9.
Oh
Okay,
my
sir,
god.
yes, we have to put it
As I do anything for science, so I volunteered for them to test the makeup on me. I'm not afraid at all because I know they're all natural, so I will be safe. And we won't test it on animals, we test it on human.
Yeah.
Okay,
Which photo?
which one should we go first? Right, here we have foundation powder. They chose the color for me. It's a mix of cornstarch and cocoa powder. Do you want to apply this? Or do I do it myself? Just put it on your finger.
Just take it on, and rub it on the cheek.
Oh
I
my
don't need
god.
to shave my beard, do I?
You just don't know.
It's dropping everywhere.
Take it on one finger.
You get tissue for me from somewhere.
Go get
Oh, it's
tissue.
applying. It's going.
Please. Come on, keep doing. Does it work?
Yeah.
It smells nice. Oh, I like the smell. We need to bring the kettle and make some hot chocolate after.
Sir, walk around like that all day.
Wow.
So can you actually walk around like that all day?
Yeah.
I will. I don't
And just
know.
don't explain.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'll place it here. So it won't
Okay,
go
sir.
Okay, where else do you want to apply? Here, my forehead. So
You
it
should
should
put
go
half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
half,
Half,
yeah.
See the difference.
Eyeshadow.
I'm going to wedding.
Does it match his skin tone? Like
Yeah, it
How it
actually does.
Somehow. Looks so uncomfortable.
Oh my god, sir, I will mess up the eyeliner. Sir, cause I'm gonna make dots instead, cause lines don't work.
Take too long doing makeup. Now I know why
Okay, yeah.
ladies are always late.
I feel like
Did you do half my forehead or not? We're going to do still.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Oh my
How
god.
do I look? Is it nice?
Oh, Sandy.
So can
Oh
you
my.
fix that, please?
It looks like
It looks
sand.
like your skin is.
Okay, should we do the liquid one?
Oh, it's just got
Don't
out
put so much. It's gonna look like he just has another layer of skin.
it looks like you just got out of a sandstorm.
Should I do it myself? I'm gonna do it myself. Right, yeah.
So you
Sir,
really
don't
don't want
mess.
to.
No, you're.
So rub it like cream. Like do not
Okay.
ruin it. Yeah.
Put like dots and then rub it in.
Yeah. Better.
Is it even? Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay. Yeah.
That's better actually.
That's so much better.
Smells nice. Smells nice. Is it good?
Yeah, yeah. It's the other side.
Yeah.
Does it work?
It works, yeah, but like
I'll check it later. We don't even have a mirror here.
Do you
But
want
is it
to,
spreading? Is it spread well? Or?
sort of.
If you can't see it.
Yeah, you can't tell it from
You can't
one.
really see it.
And now you can actually wait.
Yeah.
Does it give color actually?
Kind of. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's basically what foundation is supposed to.
Oh, okay. That's what foundation is.
Not give color, just be there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So basically making a smooth surface for.
Yeah. Apparently. Yeah.
Right. Which one is better, powder or the?
Well, the
Uh,
powder is a
liquid.
bit of a trade.
Liquid one is
liquid,
better.
Yeah, the lotion.
So do you want to?
Okay. So next one is which one? Eyeliner.
Yeah.
Eyeliner
Oh my
So
god.
this is gonna be so bad. Oh my god.
Dangerous.
with a toothpick. Okay.
It's all natural.
So I can't. Do you want to?
No. You did the
Go
eyeliner.
on. Go on. I don't mind. Go on.
Sir, but oh my god.
It's poking my eye.
Don't miss.
Okay, well.
But that actually like works.
Do I look beautiful?
Yes.
It's great.
Don't make me like drag queen.
So I want to give you like a nice movie.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
As long as we want to show that it works.
One
Well,
second.
definitely works.
Yeah, it works very well.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks fine.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm a bit thick because
Should
it's
have
kind
used a
of
makeup brush.
yeah, you know, better.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
I mean,
bit
it's
smudged.
coming off now.
Should we?
It's
Smudged.
so light.
What do you mean? Oh, it's light.
Yeah.
Okay, so how we can make it darker? Maybe just more charcoal. Yeah. Okay. There are lots of videos and recipes for the homemade makeups, but they mix like 5-6 different ingredients. We just go simple one, 2 each. All right, lipstick.
Oh my.
So here we are. I don't know what was wrong with our food coloring or the coconut, but let's see if it works or not. It looks like a jam.
Strawberry.
Yes.
The food coloring is not
So it's
mixed
gonna
very well.
look like it.
I think to mix this well, we need to heat up the coconut oil and same time add in the food coloring. We give it like a smooth texture. But this one, let's see. Okay.
So it looks like your lips are bleeding.
Yeah. Oh wait, now it doesn't. Oh my god.
Oh, it actually.
That one
So
came out
you have
well. What the
lipstick
hell?
on your teeth, by the way.
Where?
On your teeth.
So I want this one.
Looks like you bit someone.
Is it good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
Oh my god, the eyeliner looks good from afar.
Oh my goodness.
Does it work?
Yes. So now you should stay.
Tata,
like
I can't talk because you can see my teeth.
this.
Okay,
Just
wait.
spreading now.
Yeah. There.
Anyway, that's what women do, isn't it? They put lipstick and they eat the lipstick and all the teeth get red. No?
No.
Are you offended now? Ah.
So she's gonna keep coming back.
All right,
but
thank
oh
you
well.
very much. I feel like going to party now.
So you should keep it the entire day.
Imagine walking like this in the school now.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Yeah, anything else you want to say?
No.
Guys, this is first time we're doing. We didn't even have a measurement. We just mix things together. That's my style. That's how I taught them science.
Okay. Just mix it
We
with
don't
trade.
measure things. We just. I hope you enjoyed it and make your own makeup better than me, obviously. Better than them. Sorry. And you see my room is empty. Probably it's my last video here in this school. I'm leaving this school, but I will continue
No.
making videos. They're gonna miss me so much.
Yeah.
No, not really.
Oh. Okay.
You say something. What did you say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Did you say you miss me?
No.
Mistake.
That's how much they love my students. All right. Thank you. See you. Thank you. Bye. So now the filming is over. You're gonna miss me, yeah?
Not fair.
Alright, I need to check my mirror.
So do you want some camera?
There's a mirror there, so.
Where? Oh, the iPhone.
Oh my god.